In this video, I'll teach you how to use the tracking function in CapCut. This way, you will know how to use it and become an expert with this video editor, which is the new kind master of today. We are inside the project in CapCut. I have this video of me walking with my hands, and what we're going to do is use the tracking function in this video. We can only apply the tracking function to text and stickers. For example, let's add this emoji. Make it smaller and make it follow my face. Let's extend the duration of the emoji so that it stays throughout the entire clip. We will tap on the emoji in the timeline, scroll through the options until we find the tracking function and tap on it. A colored circle will appear on the video. Whatever we want to follow or track in the video should be inside this circle. So let's move it to the point we want to track, in this case my head, and we will shrink the circle to fit the shape of my head. Now, we will move the emoji to my face and tap on this button that says tracking, and it will start processing the video. This is not only a fun effect to add to your videos, but it is also useful if you don't want to show someone's face in the video, either because you don't have their permission or you want to protect their identity. When we play the video, the emoji follows our head. This effect is used in many videos. If you want to learn more effects that will make your videos stand out, tap the playlist that appears on screen right now.